Hi, this quick video will teach you how to practice Card Free American Mahjong hands using the app Mahjong4Friends. So what you do is you go to www.mahjong4friends.com, or you can play it on one of these apps you can see here. All you have to do is pretty simple. You hit New Game, make sure you've selected American Style, and then when you select your card, instead of picking one of these cards, you go down to the bottom and it says Other Card, Bots Use Random Card. What you can do with the other card, bots use random card, is that you can play with whatever card you want or card free, and then the opponents that you play against, the bots you play against, will just use any random card. So it's not like you're exactly doing the gameplay of Card Free American Mahjong, but you yourself can practice, the Charleston and trying to win a hand using the rules of Card Free American Mahjong. So let's see how that works. You can go ahead and start a game here. Now already look at this. I see I've got 4s and 6s here. So I could do 2, 3. Now this is an important rule in Card Free. You can't split up the suits. So for example, if I had 4, 6 and I was going for a consecutive run, I couldn't do, or sorry, for evens, I can't do 2, 4, 6 because this is BAM and this is BAM. I would be able to do 2, 4, 6 with dot, crack, and BAM, but not with the BAM. So I think these two, I'm not going to use these two because I've got a pair and a pung here. So I'm going to use these guys, but if I use the 6 over here, the BAM over here, I can't do any of the BAMs or lower than 4. And I most likely won't use this 6 either. So I could just do this. Now, do I want to give my opponent 2 and 3? Probably not. So maybe I'll give them a 9. Of course, I'm passing 3, 6, 9. Maybe I'll do 1. Okay. Next, we got another 5. Okay, so 4, 5, 6 in 3 different suits. That's totally doable. And so I don't want that too. Do I want a north? No, I don't want another north. All right, I'll save this dragon because I might do 4, 5, 6 dragon. And I'll get rid of that north. 3s. I'll keep this 3 in case I want to do 3, 4, 5, 6, because this 3 is the crack, and I obviously can't use the BAM 3 because of the 6 over here. So I will do that. Okay. Now we got 5 and 7. For the same reason, I'll grab this 7, because I could do 3, 4, 5, 6. It could be 4, 5, 6, 7. But the 3s and the 5s aren't usable. Okay, so I'll do 2, 3, 5. I've got an 8. I don't think none of those are going to help. Nope. I got another 7 here. Okay. So maybe what I'll do is I'll let this 3 go. So I got 4, 5, 6, 7. Pass it along. Okay, I think I had a good Charleston here. I've got 1, 2, 3. Well, I've got a joker here too. So, and I'm going to get rid of this 3. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7 joker here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles. So that means I'm pretty far along. I don't have any bonuses with this hand, but it doesn't matter to me as long as I get Mahjong. So I'm going to start by getting rid of that 7. Nine doesn't help. One doesn't help either. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and just call it early because I only have 4 tiles left to win, so I kind of want to just win quickly before somebody else Mahjong. So I'm going to go there. I'll get rid of that 5 because I got 4, 5, 6. And I'll find out whether I want to do pung kong, or if I get more red dragons, I might be able to do a pair plus 4 pung, excuse me. Nope, don't need that. 5 I can't use. Well, technically I could, but I already have 2 5s here, so. Don't need the 2. Okay. See, all right, I've got 2 dragons here. So now my set's probably going to be 4, 5, 6, 7 plus a dragon. So 4, 5, 6, 7 dragon. Those are 5 blocks. So that means I have to use a pattern that has 5 blocks. Patterns that have 5 blocks are ones like a pair and 4 pungs. That's the easiest one to make. So I've already got a pair here. and I've already got a pung, and two almost pungs. You know, a pung plus a joker here. So I'm basically one tile away. If I get a 5 dot or a 6 bam, I get Mahjong. Let's see. Don't want that. I'm going to call that. And bams or a pair of 5s with a pung of 6 bam. So there you go. I just won. Now this doesn't win any bonuses. I used multiple suits. I used the dragon. I used the joker. It wasn't concealed. So it's just worth 25 points. You can see that because it doesn't know what your card you're using, it can't really assign you points. So if you're going to practice with the version, you just kind of have to tell yourself, oh, this is a 25-point hand. This is for practicing the Charleston and practicing the Mahjong hands, but it's not a real implementation of Card Free American Mahjong. But if you're interested in learning how to play, practicing hands, it's a really quick tool. And yeah, I hope you give it a try. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you.